Welcome to Phonics Fun Land. This is Lesson 3. Today, we will blend sounds to make 4-letter words. Word 1. Pant. P, a, p, n. Pan, t, pant. Let's read it again. P, a, p, n. Pan, t, pant. Word 2. Tins. T, I, t, n. Tin. S, tins. Let's read it again. T, I, t, n. Tin. S, tins. Word 3. Pins. P, I, p, n. Pin. S, pins. Let's read it again. P, I, p, n. Pin. S, pins. Word 4. Ants. A, n. An, t. Ant. S, ants. Let's read it again. A, n. An, t. Ant. S, ants. Word 5. Sits. S, I, sit. Sit. S, sits. Let's read it again. S, I, sit. Sit. S, sits. Word 6. Taps. T, a, tap. Tap. S, taps. Let's read it again. T, a, tap. Tap. S, taps. Word 7. Pats. P, a, pa. Pat. S, pats. Let's read it again. P, a, pat. Pat. S, pats. Word 8. Naps. Ps, n, a, na, p, nap. S, naps. Let's read it again. N, a, na, p, nap. S, naps. Word 9. Spin. S, p, sp, I, spi, n. Spin. Let's read it again. S, p, sp, I, spi, n. Spin. Word 10. Snip. S, n, sn, I, snip. P, snip. Let's read it again. S, n, sn, I, snip. P, snip. Word 11. Snap. S, n, sn, a, sna, p, snap. Let's read it again. S, n, sn, a, sna, p, snap. Word 12. Stan. S, t, st, a, sta, n, stan. Let's read it again. S, t, st, a, sta, n, stan. Thank you for watching, friends. Like and subscribe to keep learning with us. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.